Hi everybody, I thought I would help you out and honestly help me out a little bit by showing you an easy way to open up files like your SMART goal and then make sure you move them to your SMART goal folder so that they're there for me. So I'm going to use my folder that I created for myself, and I'm going to go into my 2018-2019, and I'm going to open up the Everything QComp file that I put in everyone's folder for the year. As far as your SMART goal goes, when you guys all clicked on this link to open up the SMART goal form, it brought you to a different location here. And then from here, what you probably did was you opened it with Google Docs so that you could make it editable. Once you open it up in Google Docs so that you can start filling it out, what you're going to notice is that above, right next to what it's labeled, you're going to see a folder eventually pop up. And that's a feature where you can then move this to a correct folder. And where you want to move it to is, well, for me, it's my certain pathway, but for you, you might already have your folder listed as far as your name that I shared with you. This is just the way I get to it. So here's teachers. And then I would find my folder. Here's all of your guys' folders, of course. But I'm going to find my name and I'm going to put it in my 2018-19 folder. And when I choose to move it here, it will actually let me know, just so you know, this is going to be shared with the same people you share the folder with, which is perfect. That's what you want. You don't even have to go through and try to like add me as a person to share it with. Just by moving it to our shared QComp Google folder, you've shared it with me just by doing that. So I hope that that's helpful. If you could do me a favor, if you haven't already done this, will you please open up your SMART goal form that you did edit and just do the easy move to, and then make sure you move it to your QComp folder that I created and shared with you either last year or this year if you're new. And if you decided that you would rather do it on a Word document, all you have to do is when you're in when you have your folder open, just go ahead and drag it into the Google Docs, and then again, it will be shared with me. So therefore, I don't have people that are emailing me and attaching Word docs and PDFs, and then people who are sharing a link with me, but the link doesn't send me to our shared folder. So really just trying to get everything to be all housed in the Google folder that we have. So hopefully you found this helpful. If you need any more help doing this, please let me know.